Nine Rounders, Kicking Kenza and Aaron the Assassin here. Today we wanted to share with you some tips and tricks for keeping up with your meal plan throughout the summer. We know that a lot of times during the summer is when our progress that we've been making all year kind of gets thrown to the wayside because of a beach vacation, maybe some picnics at the park, different family adventures throughout the summer. But we want to help you today to learn how to meal prep just a little bit of work ahead of time to keep you on track with that well-balanced meal plan.
First, we want to make sure that whatever you take on your vacation or on the family hike is very simple and easy. We don't want the prep work to seem like a burden for you. So a few examples of some easy snack options would be fresh fruit. Go ahead and chop that before you go on the trip. Packs of nuts, some popcorn instead of chips, anything that's easy for you and the kids to grab because you don't want to be sitting around chopping up stuff while you're on vacation or sitting out at the beach. So we definitely want to make sure that these snacks are still well balanced, they're not over sugary, and they're still tasty for the whole family.
Yeah, of course, I love how you talk about the prep work beforehand, making it simple and easy for everyone. We've got some sliced strawberries here mixed in with some raspberries. We've got some pre-portioned nuts so everyone can just grab the right snack for them, keeping it nice and balanced. You'll also notice we have some whole wheat pasta salad here. This is a great option if you're at the beach, on that hike, at the picnic. Wherever you are, you don't need to heat it up. It's loaded with whole grains, vegetables. It's something that the whole family will like, and you can just grab it and go. You don't have to do any more work while you're at it. Another great option is something like a sparkling water, maybe getting some drink enhancers, and this is a great low calorie, no calorie really option to change up your water intake so we're not getting too much sugar. We know that's kind of a common thing whenever you're outside hanging out all day. So these are just some great options for you to consider while you're on the go.
The key point here is to focus on a well-balanced plan. So making sure that you're doing all of the prep work ahead of time will really save you in the end. You won't have to leave that time with your family if you're at the pool or the beach or on that hike. You really get to enjoy your family time together. That doesn't mean you have to avoid all treats, but just going in with a plan will really help you stick to your goals and continue to work towards your progress.
So the next time you head out for a family adventure, take some of these tips and tricks, try them out, and make sure to stay focused on your goals, Nine Rounders.